Someone asks you to describe a chair, a mobile phone, or even your hometown. And what happens? Suddenly your mind goes blank. So here's a 5-step formula that will help you describe almost anything. Yes, you heard it right, almost anything in English. Step number 1, what is it? Start by saying what it is. Example, this is a wooden chair. Step number 2, features. Now you need to mention 2, 3 or even 4 features. For example, it is comfortable, lightweight and easy to move. Step number 3, very important. You need to mention the purpose. Like tell people what it is used for. You can say people use it for studying, working and relaxing. Step number 5 is of vital importance. That is opinion. Now give your personal opinion. You can say like, I think it's very practical and worth buying. Finally, step number 5 is experience. You need to add 1 or 2 personal experiences. I have been using this chair for 2 years and it has never caused me any back pain. See how simple it is. So, whenever you want to describe anything in English, just remember these 5 steps: what it is, features, purpose, opinion, and experience. Save this video and start practicing today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.